Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step English preparation guide. I'm going to say you how you can cover the complete syllabus of the language English or how you have to prepare for the language English in order to score O grade in this examination. By watching this video till end and listening to me carefully, you can have the complete idea about how you can cover the whole syllabus of English. So watch the video till end, and if you are new to our channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too so that it will be helpful for your friends also. And if you want the notes of all the subjects and all the languages whatever you are having in your group, you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID name is Learn with Sahira. You will be getting all subject and languages important question and answers notes which are easy, simple and clear to understand. Even the slow learners can get perfect with the subject. They can also score good marks in each and every examination. So if you want the notes, let me know on my Instagram ID link also I will be providing in this video description. But note, payment is must. I repeat, payment is must. You will be getting English summaries, grammar, vocabulary, the complete syllabus of English notes, and second language, BCS or EVS non-core subjects and all other subjects. Okay, so you can text me on my Instagram. So keeping this aside, let us get started with step-by-step English preparation guide. I think you all have seen my video of degree first year second semester English important questions. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video. You can go to our channel playlist. There you will be finding degree second semester English. In that, all the videos related to English, all the summaries, all the grammar, vocabulary, each and every video related to English will be available. So please go there and watch that video, important questions video, as well as I have uploaded a video in which I have said you, I have given you the clear clarification whether you have to choose poetry or prose. In one unit, you will be having two options, right? Poem or prose. So in both which you have to choose, I have said you. So go and watch that video. That both videos links I will be sharing in this video description. Okay. So let us get started. First, if you are going with the poetry, how you need to prepare, let us see. Step 1 is to begin with poetry. If you are going with the poetry, start like this. You read the poem slowly once for the flow. First, you need to start reading the poetry slowly, or if you are going with the summary also, you try to understand, you try to analyze each and every line. Then you have to read again to understand the meaning. Okay, first analyze, then in the next, you understand the meaning of each and every line or each and every line in the summary. Then you have to identify and note down the poet's name and background. I will be uploading a video in which I will be saying you the way to write a summary in order to get full marks. So in that, first will be about the poet. So definitely you should know the complete details of the poet. Don't worry, I will be uploading each and every poem summary videos, explanation videos. Then what is the main theme of the poem? You need to understand. The literary devices means nothing but simile, metaphor, oxymorons. If you have something like that, you can just need to understand it. If you feel like this is the difficult part, you can leave. Okay, stanza wise explanation, you have to get it in your own words. Once reading the summary, once reading the lines of the poet, what is the poet name or background, the complete, you just think like you have completed the summary of one poem. You have to try to analyze what you have learned from that poem. You have to highlight or underline important lines or quotes. Okay, if you are going with the poem, definitely you have to mention at least 2 to 3 lines of the poem in your answer booklet or in your answer. If you are writing the summary of a poem, definitely from one stanza, if you are writing the brief explanation or description of one stanza, then definitely you have to write that stanza 2 to 3 lines in the answer. Okay, you have to write the summaries in 5 to 6 lines, like one stanza summary. Then you can write the complete summary in your own words. Once you are done with the complete summary and you can just try to analyze what you have learned, then you put it on the paper. Then if you are going with the pros, you can do like this. You can read the lesson or summary for a basic idea. Okay, after listening to the summary or after listening to my explanation videos, once you just give a reading to author's name and short bio, then what is the central idea or theme of that writing? You have to identify. Then the key incidents or facts, okay? In case of speech or title, summary in simple sentences is the next point, okay? Then you have to understand the moral or message of that story. Then what is the main theme will come under this, okay? Learn 2 to 3 important question and answers per lesson, but if they ask you any question from this, you have to just write the complete summary, okay? No need to go with this and that. Whatever the question they might ask you, you have to write the summary, okay? Just wait a minute. Okay, so where were we? Yes, we were like whatever the question they might ask you, you have to write the complete summary. Okay, once you are done with the summary, once knowing about the author and everything, you just try to retell the story, or you can just write it on a paper. Okay, then after that, we are having vocabulary section. In that vocabulary section, you have to understand the definition of each and every term. And after understanding, you should at least give 2 to 3 clear examples, and you have to try to make your own sentence using that word or term. You can make a sheet for quick revision, okay? Topics, how many topics we are having? These many topics like oxymoron, hyperbole, loan words, portmanteau words, simile, and metaphor. These are the topics, or these are the contents which we need to learn in the vocabulary. Okay, don't worry, I will be uploading each and every vocabulary section explanation video in which we will be solving different questions. We will be seeing each and every term, we will be seeing clear examples, we will be seeing exercises also. So stay tuned. You have to watch our playlist, degree second semester English, where you will be finding all the videos. Okay. Then step 4 is practice grammar thoroughly. After poem, after short story, after vocabulary, you have grammar section. Okay, in this you have to read the rule or definition clearly, then examples, then practice error correction or fill in the blanks from any grammar book or worksheet. Okay, don't worry, I will be providing you the worksheets, and I will be providing you the complete grammar exercises in my videos. Okay, grammar topics are these much. Okay, main verbs, tenses, auxiliary verbs, non-finite verbs, and adverbs. So you have to make a list of common mistakes to avoid. You just need to understand where you will be doing the mistakes, and you have to try to avoid that mistakes. Okay, you have to subscribe our channel Learn with Sahira on YouTube for notes, explanation, and important questions, paper patterns, presentations, and many more. So subscribe our channel if you didn't till now. So step 5 is writing skill practice. This is the another section where we will be learning about the sequencing, descriptive writing, argumentative writing. So here in the sequencing, you have to learn how to arrange events in a correct order. Just assume like your daily routine. You will be getting up, you will be getting freshed up, then you will be having your breakfast, then you will be going to the college, then you will be coming back from the college. If you are going to the tuitions or like that, you will be going to the tuitions. In degree, most of the students will not go. So if you are not going to the tuitions, just leave that thing. Then you will be having, sorry, in the middle, in the afternoon, you will be having the lunch, then you will be coming back to the home. Then after that, you will be playing, or you will be going with the friends, you will be going on the outing, or you will be enjoying, you will be having the snacks. Then in the last, you will be having dinner and will get sleep, and you will be sleeping, right? So these are the events. Now, if I mention I will have lunch and I will go to bed, I will shower, I will take the shower, or then I will be going to my friend. After that, I will be having my breakfast. Then, after breakfast, I will be having my dinner. After dinner, I will be having my lunch. Like that, we can't say, right? So, we need to arrange each and every event in the correct order. That first, I will get up, then I will get freshed up, then I will have my breakfast, then I will go to the college, like that. In order wise, you need to arrange in the sequencing. Then descriptive writing means practice writing about a place, person, or event in detail. Don't worry, I will be explaining you about these writings in my explanation videos. Okay. Then for each type, you have to get 1 to 2 examples. Try to write short paragraphs of your own. So if you just give a reading to this writing skill practice, or just listen to my explanation video, that is enough, ma. Okay. Then what is step 6? Revise post reading topics: decision making, holistic health, conflict resolution, ethical behavior. These are the topics, and what you have to do, you have to understand the topics. Then you have to write 3 to 4 lines explaining it in real life or classroom context. So don't worry, I will be uploading the explanation videos. Then let us see the final touch: quick revision. This is really very important. Go through all your short notes and summaries. If you have prepared any notes, you can go with that. But if you are getting the access for my notes, you can just give a quick reading. You will be perfect with the complete summaries, the complete grammar, vocabulary, each and everything. So if you get my notes, it will be really very easy to revise. Okay, quick revision you can do. Revise vocabulary, flashcards, or cheat sheets. So whatever you have prepared, you can go mentally rehearse key poems and prose ideals. If possible, practice one answer orally or in writing from each section. As I said you, once you are done with the summary, you can just put it on the paper in order to know how you can present the answer in your answer booklet. Just listening to the video and just giving a reading is not enough, because presentation also really matters in languages. If you write in your clear handwriting, neat handwriting, presenting it like headings will be in bold letters, and normal writing will be in the normal way. Like that, it is really very important. Presentation is really must in English, I must say. Bonus preparation tips you can see here: don't memorize. Ma first thing, you need not to memorize, you just understand and explain in simple terms. Okay, once you listen to my explanation videos, you will be cleared with this. Okay, you can use highlighters or colored pens for important points. Not highlighters or colored pens, but you can just underline the main points. Okay, if you want, if you are having that much time. But if you don't want to waste the time, directly also you can write, this point is not that important. You can read aloud to improve memory, explain answers to a friend, or mirror. Actually, whenever I used to have the exam, or whenever I have an exam, this thing I do. Really, I do. Whenever I learn about something, I go in front of the mirror and I will say it in front of mirror. Okay, so this is really, really very important, and it works. So you can go in front of the mirror and you can say whatever you want, blah blah blah, because you will not have friends all the time, right? But most of the time, in my college hours, at my college, I used to explain each and everything to my friends. Okay, they used to sit like a group, and I used to sit in between, and I used to just say them summaries. Like, they used to be dependent on the summaries and explanation from me. Once they listen to that story, they used to write it in their own words. They used to not have books also at that time. So it was like that. So you can practice it while saying it to the in front of mirror or to a friend. Take short breaks and drink water to stay focused. This is really very, very, very much important. I thought to mention this point. That is why I have mentioned that you have to take short breaks continuously. If you read, no, you will be fed up. Okay, you will be exhausted. So you take short breaks, like you can just scroll, or you can just have a talk with your parents, or you can just have a talk with your friend, or you have to drink water to stay hydrated. Okay, to stay focused. So you can take any refreshments also. So this was about the preparation of your English. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, share this video with your friends. And for notes of all the subjects and languages including English, you can text me on my Instagram, learn with Sahira. Okay, if you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. All the very best. Bye bye.